Hi friends, this is Manoj Gokhale running an institution called Parthiva Gurukul, basically helping to elevate people, their consciousness. Looking at the title of this audio video, Meditation versus Alcohol, you might be surprised, but this is a very important topic dear to my heart, and whatever I am sharing is out of my experience. The effects which are created by meditation and smoke, alcohol, drugs are very similar, but let me tell you, they are not the same. Try to understand the difference between similar and same. In fact, they are diametrically opposite. All this smoke, alcohol, drugs, they create an illusion of meditative, or if you get it, no mind state, because meditation is going beyond mind, and all these things take you after a certain level to that state. And what happens through smoke, alcohol, drugs, etc., is a kind of chemical process, and you get an illusion of that state. An illusion is an illusion. We are living in virtual reality, so let me talk. Let me not talk much about it. As I told you, the two things are diametrically opposite. Going into meditation and making meditation as your lifestyle is a whole purification process. By and by, your body, mind will get purified, and you will experience such a pleasurable state which actually cannot be described in words. Thanks to my first living guru, Rishi Prabhakarji, I experienced it some 25 years back. If I talk about the other side, all this smoke, alcohol, drugs, it is actually like poisoning your system. So one is purification, other is poisoning. The whole meditation process is basically about awareness. So the more you go into meditation, your awareness of everything, whatever you are doing, heightens, awareness increases. Whereas all these things, the other side, smoke, alcohol, etc., that dulls your awareness. By and by, you become more and more dumb, insensitive, whatever. About addictiveness, I need not tell you. Many people simply become addictive of smoke, alcohol, and they make their states pathetic because their whole pleasure is dependent on that. That is basically the fundamental difference. In meditation, you are not dependent on anything outside, where you are here, on the other side, you are like a slave of that thing. As far as methods are concerned, both side multiple options are there. In meditation, let me tell you, there are 112 different ways. These are enunciated in Shiva Sutra, as Shiva has explained to his consort Parvati. So, different types of people exist. So, meditation methods also need to be different to suit your personality. So, 112 different options are there, and you can choose an option which suits you best. Other side also, innumerable brands are there. I think much more than 112. What that does, I need not talk about it. One very important point about meditation, please understand, the earlier the child or the person is initiated into meditation, the better or the more are his chances to experience meditative state. That's why in ancient India, meditation was introduced to a child at the age of 8. It was called Upanayana, Munja ceremony. The higher the age, it is more and more difficult to get into meditation state. But still, I will say it's never too late. But earlier, the better. So, it is both for parents as well as children. The earlier you introduce your children, the better they will be. Last point, if I talk about memory, I am a memory trainer also. As far as memory is concerned, if you are meditating regularly, if any child or any person is meditating regularly, by and by his memory power increases. It's a effect. Meditation is not memorizing, it actually goes beyond no mind. But if you are meditating regularly, as a byproduct, your memory increases. Whereas alcohol actually destroys few thousand memory cells every time you consume it. So, as I said, this is my experience. Thanks to my guru, I am connected to meditation since 25 years. As far as alcohol is concerned, I have tested it, so I know what happens, and on that basis only I am sharing what is the similarity. And since I am deep in meditation, I am not attracted to it because the option which is not dependent on something is anytime better. So, this is a very important thing I felt I should share with you. Please like, share, and subscribe. I basically make audio videos on topics which are very dear to my heart. If you feel so, then you can share the thing. My WhatsApp number is 98230 Thank you for patient listening. Jai Gurudev, Manoj Gokhale, Path Yuva Gurukul.